So through social media, we've had a few people who have messaged and commented that they wanted to see this plow in action. And boy, did we get a dumping of snow last night. And it's still kind of coming down, but it's just a light dusting. So if you haven't already checked us out, we are on Instagram. I'll leave the link in the comments or the description box below. And we also started a Facebook page because I can't really communicate other than through comments on this on YouTube. So we created a Facebook page so that on more of a day-to-day basis I can keep in contact with you guys. So if you haven't checked us out, the links are in the description below, and please go check us out, like, follow, share, all that good stuff. Yeah?
I think that. Let me try and see if I can get lower. They're still leaving a bunch.
A bit lower. Okay, let's start doing our road.
Huh?
Start doing the road. Or you...
Alright, I was just trying to get this out because the plow come by and made the big hill, and I had to race to get through it, right? Like I had to get up speed to barrel through. Yeah, I know.
Can't keep up. That's a little better. So he lowered the plow, and you can tell on this side it's a little higher, and then on this side you can actually see some of the dirt on the ground. So he might have to pass over it twice, but as you can see, he's already down all the way down there.
Going more than 4 miles per hour.
Yep. That's a mic for you.
Closer to the ground here, you can see most of the ground.
What?
You can see most of the ground here.
Ice?
No, I'm just saying you can see most of the ground.
Yeah, and there is ice underneath, so be careful. Hey!
I love this thing. It works great. I can maneuver the blade however I want, which angle I want. I'm going up and down the entire road, even in the snow, and it's wet, it's kind of heavy, it's not that light stuff, and it's just doing its job. Now, I mean, I'd love to have the big, 12-foot tractor with the snowblower on it, like my neighbor does, but we'll get there. This is doing good. Now, the only thing that happened last night when we were out playing with it in the snow is when the winch was wound back up, pulling the blade up, the rope got bound up. It overlapped itself inside on the winch, and it pinched it. So when it got pulled up, it just snapped the rope. So right now, I don't have any U-link clamps or any of that jazz. I just tied it tight and locked it in there as best I could. She's working.
Let's see, let's take a look at your, oh, it's all covered in snow. There is our job. And in no way are we recommending
No,
this.
it's not a long-term fix, but it does the job for now. So we got snowed on pretty heavy. So I had to get us out. This is what you do. You make do with what you got when you need to. I didn't have the U-link bolt or anything to lock it in and do it proper but I'll take care of that later. It can be done.